Let's talk about the Brazilian wax. Yes, for men too. If you've ever wondered what it's like to go completely smooth below the belt, you're not alone. The idea of a Bro-zilian might sound intimidating at first, but it's becoming more and more common for men to take charge of their grooming in new ways. Whether you're curious, nervous, or just want to know what all the fuss is about, you're in the right place. Also known as the man-zilian or Bro-zilian, this treatment is all about going smooth and tidy downstairs. It's not just about looks, it's about feeling fresh, confident, and comfortable in your own skin. For some, it's about hygiene. For others, it's about boosting self-esteem or just trying something new. Men are now embracing intimate waxing, and it's about time. The stigma around male grooming is fading fast, and more guys are realizing that self-care isn't just for women. In fact, you might be surprised at how many men are sitting in that waiting room for the exact same reason as you. Grooming is for everyone. What you do with your body hair is your call. Whether you prefer to keep things natural or go for a totally smooth look, it's all about what makes you feel your best. There's no right or wrong way to take care of yourself. Just your way. The idea might seem daunting, especially if your grooming routine stops at a beard trim. It's normal to feel a little nervous before your first appointment. After all, it's a new experience, and you might have a lot of questions or even a few worries about pain or embarrassment. The thought of hot wax on sensitive areas can be unnerving, but curiosity wins out for many. You might wonder, will it hurt? Is it awkward? The truth is, the anticipation is often worse than the reality. Most men find the process quick and manageable, and the results can be surprisingly satisfying. Whether you're an athlete looking for a performance edge, want a cleaner look for personal reasons, or are just curious to see what all the hype is about, you're not alone. More men are booking these appointments every year. It's a trend that's here to stay, and it's all about personal choice. It's just another option in personal grooming. Like choosing between shaving and growing a beard or picking your favorite cologne, waxing is simply one more way to express your style and take care of yourself. There's no pressure, just possibilities. Most estheticians are women, but they're pros, utterly professional, focused on your comfort and safety. They've seen it all before, and their goal is to make you feel at ease from the moment you walk in. You can trust that you're in good hands. Any awkwardness is usually in your head and fades quickly. Once you get started, you'll realize it's just another service, like a haircut or a massage. Most men leave feeling relieved, refreshed, and wondering why they waited so long to try it. They're there to provide a skilled service, not to judge. Their focus is on technique, hygiene, and making sure you're as comfortable as possible throughout the process. You can ask questions, share concerns, and expect honest, helpful answers. This guide will walk you through what to expect and how to care for yourself after. From prepping for your appointment to aftercare tips that keep your skin smooth and healthy, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your first Bro-zilian a breeze. Forget the myths and jokes, the reality is much simpler. With the right information and a little confidence, you'll see that a Bro-zilian is just another step in modern self-care. Let's get into it and see what the experience is really all about. Preparation is key for a smooth waxing experience. Let your hair grow to about 1/4 inch. No shaving or trimming for 2 to 3 weeks. Gently exfoliate the area a day or two before your appointment to help prevent ingrown hairs. On the day, shower with warm water to open pores but skip lotions or oils. Wear loose, comfortable clothing and cotton underwear. Avoid caffeine and alcohol beforehand. They can make your skin more sensitive. Some take ibuprofen 30-45 minutes before for comfort. Most importantly, relax and breathe. You're in professional hands. The more relaxed you are, the easier it'll be. A little planning goes a long way. You've got this. When you arrive for your waxing appointment, you'll be guided to a private, professional treatment room designed for your comfort and privacy. The space is clean, calming, and set up to help you feel at ease from the moment you walk in. Soft lighting, soothing music, and a welcoming atmosphere are all part of the experience, ensuring you can relax before your treatment begins. Your esthetician will greet you warmly and confirm the details of your service, making sure you're comfortable and answering any last-minute questions. They'll explain what to expect and then step out of the room, giving you privacy to undress from the waist down. You'll be asked to remove any clothing in the area being waxed, and you can take your time to get ready. On the treatment table, you'll find a fresh towel or sheet and cleansing wipes. Use the wipes to gently cleanse the area if you wish. This helps remove oils, sweat, or lotions that could interfere with the waxing process. The towel or sheet is there for your modesty and comfort, so drape it over yourself as you settle in. Once you're ready, lie down on the table as instructed by your esthetician. They may have given you specific directions for how to position yourself, depending on the area being waxed. Take a few deep breaths and try to relax. This will help make the process smoother and more comfortable. The esthetician will knock before re-entering, always respecting your privacy. When they return, they'll be wearing gloves for hygiene and safety. The first step is to cleanse the area thoroughly, removing any remaining oils or debris to ensure the wax adheres properly and your skin is protected. Next, a pre-wax powder or oil is gently applied to your skin. This step is important. It creates a barrier that helps protect your skin from irritation and allows the wax to grip only the hair, not your skin. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in your comfort. Throughout the process, your esthetician will talk you through each step, explaining what they're doing and checking in to make sure you're comfortable. If you're nervous, let them know. They're experienced in helping clients relax and will do their best to put you at ease. Warm wax is then applied in the direction of your hair growth using a spatula. The sensation is usually gentle and soothing. A cloth or paper strip is pressed firmly onto the wax, ensuring it adheres well to the hair for effective removal. With a quick, practiced motion, the strip is pulled off in the opposite direction of hair growth. You'll feel a brief sting, but it's over in a second, followed by a sense of relief. Most clients find the discomfort is very manageable, especially with a skilled professional. This process is repeated section by section, with your esthetician guiding you to change positions as needed to access different areas. They'll always let you know what's coming next, so there are no surprises. For a full Brazilian or more extensive waxing, you may be asked to adjust your position a few times. Don't worry, your esthetician is a professional and has seen it all before. Their goal is to make you as comfortable as possible throughout the session. Once all the hair has been removed, a soothing lotion or gel is applied to calm your skin and reduce any redness or irritation. That's it, you're finished. You'll leave feeling smooth, refreshed, and ready to enjoy the results of your waxing session. Men choose Brazilian waxing for many reasons. Aesthetics and hygiene top the list. Smooth skin feels cleaner, especially during workouts or hot weather. Athletes like cyclists and swimmers do it for comfort and performance. For some, it's about partner preference and intimacy. It can boost sensitivity and confidence. Grooming is now a shared conversation in relationships. Curiosity and self-care matter too. Sometimes it's just about trying something new. Many men try it once and make it a regular routine. It's not about conforming, but about what feels good for you. The reasons are as personal as the choice itself. Your first Brazilian wax is an emotional roller coaster, and it starts long before you even step into the spa. The anticipation builds as you wait for your appointment, and your mind races with questions. How much will it hurt? Will it be awkward? And what will it feel like afterward? Nerves and curiosity are completely normal. Everyone worries about the pain, the vulnerability, and the unknown. You might find yourself fidgeting, second-guessing your decision, or even considering backing out at the last minute. But remember, you're not alone. Almost everyone feels this way before their first wax. Once you meet your esthetician, things start to shift. A good professional will sense your nerves and help you relax, explaining the process and answering your questions. The initial exposure can feel strange and a bit vulnerable, but a friendly, reassuring approach quickly puts you at ease. The waxing itself follows a steady rhythm: apply, press, pull, soothe. Each step is methodical, and you'll notice the esthetician's confidence helps you feel more comfortable. The sensation is unique, and while it's not exactly pleasant, it's over quickly. Yes, there's a sting, especially with the first pull, but it fades almost instantly. You might be surprised by your own reaction. Some people laugh, others wince, but most realize it's not as bad as they feared. Relief and even a sense of accomplishment follow. Many people are surprised at how manageable the experience is, and some even find themselves laughing with the esthetician afterward. Right after, your skin feels incredibly smooth, though it may be a bit tender or sensitive. This sensation is new, and you might find yourself checking your skin, amazed at the results. As you leave the spa, there's a real sense of accomplishment. You might walk a little taller, feeling both proud and oddly liberated by the experience. In the days that follow, any tenderness fades, replaced by growing satisfaction. You'll notice how easy it is to care for your skin, and the smoothness becomes something you look forward to. Many people report feeling cleaner, fresher, and more confident in their appearance. It's a boost that can last for weeks, making daily routines feel a little more enjoyable. The low-maintenance smoothness is a huge bonus, saving you time and effort compared to shaving or trimming. The pain is brief, but the results last much longer, making the experience well worth it for most people. That's why so many people become regulars. Once you've experienced the benefits, it's hard to go back. Let's bust some myths. Waxing is an agony. It's a series of quick stings, not endless pain. A skilled esthetician makes it manageable. You don't need a certain body type. Salons welcome everyone. Professionals focus on your skin, not your shape. Waxing doesn't make hair grow back thicker or darker. It often comes back finer and sparser. Shaving makes regrowth feel blunt, but waxing leads to softer hair. Worried about involuntary reactions? Estheticians are trained and discreet. No judgment, just professionalism. Most fears are overblown. The reality is much less dramatic than the myths. You're in safe hands. Aftercare is crucial for happy skin. For 48 hours, avoid hot baths, saunas, pools, and heavy exercise. Stick to cool showers and wear loose, breathable clothing. Let your skin recover. Tight clothes and sweat can cause irritation. After a couple of days, gently exfoliate to prevent ingrown hairs. Use a mild exfoliant or soft mitt 2 to 3 times a week. Moisturize daily with a fragrance-free lotion. Skip heavy perfumed creams. Consistent care keeps your skin smooth and irritation-free. A little effort goes a long way. Your next wax will be even easier. Let's talk pain. Yes, waxing hurts, but only for a second. It's a sharp sting, not a lingering ache. Pressure is applied right after, dulling the sensation. The first time is the toughest. It gets easier as hair grows back finer. Regular waxing means less discomfort over time. Take ibuprofen before, avoid caffeine and alcohol, and try to relax. Tension makes it worse. Deep breaths help. Your esthetician will guide you through it. The pain is brief, but the smoothness lasts weeks. Most find it's worth the trade-off. Don't let fear stop you from trying. It's more manageable than you think. We've covered the male Brazilian wax from start to finish. It's a normal, popular grooming choice. Nothing mysterious or scary. Preparation and understanding the process make it manageable. Reasons for waxing are personal: athletics, hygiene, aesthetics, or curiosity. The experience is quick and the results last. Myths debunked. It won't make hair grow back thicker, and professionals are unflappable. With good aftercare, your skin stays smooth and healthy. The choice is yours. There's no right or wrong. Try it once if you're curious. You might love it or not, and that's fine. In self-care, being open to new experiences is always a win.